your Earth. This is your celestial sphere. Okay, so wait, what is this? Okay, this is your Earth. This is your celestial sphere. This celestial sphere consists of all those things like stars, planet, moon, all your galaxies. Everything comes under this. Okay, so what then in celestial sphere? Important thing is what is equinoctial? Equinoctial is a great circle in the same plane as of equator. So if this is your equator, then this is the your equinoctial. What the hell? This is your equinoctial now. What does celestial north? North and south pole of celestial sphere same like Earth. Definition is when we produce the axis of the Earth. Suppose this is the axis of the Earth, and when we produce it, and where it meets the celestial sphere, these are your celestial north. This is your celestial south. Okay, parallel of declination are the small circles, same like on Earth. These are your parallel of declination, small circles. These are your parallel of declination. Then your celestial meridians, everything like same like Earth. So that easy for calculation. They have considered all those things as the same like Earth. You know? Celestial meridians are the semi-great circle on the semisphere, the plane of which pass through the celestial poles. Okay, I hope you understand this very simple thing. Nothing important now. Okay, I'm going to tell you other things. This is your celestial sphere, and this is your equinoctial. Okay, and okay, I make this big. I just love it. Okay, it is now. This is your celestial sphere, and what the hell, man? This is your ecliptic. Ecliptic is nothing but ecliptic is the Earth orbit around the Sun. Okay, so now when the Sun goes like this, like that, okay, and when it goes from south to north, this point, when it goes from south to north, this point is called first point of Aries. First point of Aries. And when it goes from north to south, it's called first point of Libra. Okay, it usually denoted by this, it usually denoted by own sign. Okay, so this is your first point of Aries and first point of Libra. Now, next is your Zenith and Nadir. Okay, so this is the Suppose this is the surface of this is Earth. At the center, again. I have a problem with this shit. Okay, this is your Earth. This is your celestial sphere. So suppose you are here or observer is here, then the point vertically above it on the celestial sphere is called zenith, and the point vertically below it, opposite to the zenith, is called nadir. Suppose your observer is here, then your zenith will be vertically above it here, and your nadir will be here. Suppose your observer is here, then your zenith will be here, and your nadir will be here. This is a little important thing. You should consider it. Okay. Now, the next thing comes to the thing is, what is vertical circle? A great circle on the celestial sphere passing through the observer zenith and nadir. So basically, if I join this like this is a great circle passing through your zenith and nadir. That great circle is called vertical circle. Okay, this is your called vertical circle. There is one more thing called principal vertical circle. What is principal vertical circle? Principal vertical circle is nothing which passes through the north and south pole. Which pass through north and south pole of celestial sphere. That is called principal vertical circle. Okay, there are two things. Vertical circle which pass through the zenith and nadir. It's a great circle. Same like this. A great circle on a celestial sphere which passes through the north and south pole is called principal vertical circle. Okay, now this is the basic thing, and you know it should come into your mind whenever you see any question or you taking side or everything. This is very very important. The basic is important. Okay, so now we are going to talk about rational horizon diagram. So now we'll study about rational horizon diagram. So rational horizon diagram is very important. First of all, you should know what is rational horizon is. Rational horizon is a great circle on a celestial sphere whose every point is 90 degrees from zenith and nadir. 90 degree means, suppose this is your celestial sphere, okay, and this is your, okay, okay, anyways, and this is your zenith. And if I make a circle here, is it 90 degree from zenith? Yes, it is 90 degree. Every point on it is 90 degree from zenith. But the thing is, it's not a rational horizon because it's not a great circle. That's a question. This was a question asked to me during my orals. But anyway, this is your. This is a great circle. Okay, and it's every point in 90 degree from zenith. That is called rational horizon. Okay. Now I hope you understand what is rational horizon. Now we will talk about rational horizon diagram. Rational horizon diagram is seeing this whole picture from the top. I'll show you how. Now this is your circle. Okay, I'll make one more circle just so that you will understand what I'm So first we'll go to that one we talk about. This is your celestial sphere here. This is your celestial sphere, and this is your zenith. Okay. Now imagine you are seeing this from the top. From the top. You are seeing this from here, from the top. Okay, so it will looks like something like this round. Okay. Because this celestial sphere is full round, it's like this also. So you will see this like this from the top, with zenith at the center of that circle. Okay, from the top you I'm talking about. Okay. So once you are seeing this from the top, every point on this circle is 90 degree from the zenith. So that can be your rational horizon. Okay, and it's a great circle, it's 90 degree from the zenith. Now we'll see here. This is your zenith. Now we are seeing the same picture, say this picture from here. Okay, so this is your zenith at the center. Okay, these will be your poles, uh, north and south poles, celestial north, celestial south. Okay, this circle as I showed here, this is your rational horizon, and here also if I come, this also is rational horizon. Okay, now if I remember this, if I draw a line here, okay, if I draw a line here, okay, this not a line, it's basically a great circle passing through the north and south point of celestial sphere, which mean, which I taught you, that is your principal vertical circle. Now, same like this, if I draw one thing here, suppose this line, okay. So this is this this will be your vertical circle, because what we have studied is that a great circle passing through the zenith and nadir. So it passing through the zenith, so that means it will pass through the nadir also down there. So if it is a zenith, then this will be your nadir, and this circle is going like this. Okay, and we are seeing it from the top. That's why we are seeing it as a line, because it will go like this. Okay, so that will be your what, vertical circle. I hope this you have considered it up and now. What is true altitude? See, this is very important, because when we're going to study about PZX triangle, this will consider very handy. Okay, so this should be clear. And if you have doubt, you can refer to this Rewari book also, Principle of Navigation. Okay, so what is true altitude? True altitude, as per definition, what it says, it's an arc of a vertical circle through that body contained between the rational horizon and center of the body. So definition, what definition says, it's an arc of a vertical circle. So where is our vertical circle? This is our vertical circle. Okay, through that body. Suppose your body is here. I'll consider it as a body. Okay, make a star here. This is our body. Celestial body. It can be anything, sun, moon, planet, anything. It is here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here. degree, but it should be on a vertical circle. Okay. Now, it's an arc of a vertical circle through that body contained between rational horizon and the center of the body. Contained between rational horizon and center of the body. Now, in this diagram, I'll change the name. If we see, this is our rational horizon. This is our rational horizon. Okay, and center of body is here. Okay, center of body is here. So, as per the definition, this will be our true altitude. Okay, but it says it's an arc of a vertical circle through that body. This is our vertical circle, arc of a vertical circle through that body, contained between the center of the body and the rest of the horizon is our true altitude. Correct? Okay. Second thing is, what is zenith distance? Again, it's an arc of a vertical circle through that body, contained between the observer zenith and the center of the body. Now, what is observer zenith? If we see, this is our observer zenith, this is center of the body, and in between that is your zenith distance. This will be our zenith distance. Okay. Now, what it says, since every point on rational horizon is 90 degrees from the zenith, as we said in the definition. So that what it means from from here to here, this must be 90 degrees. Okay, from center here to here, it must be 90 degrees. Okay, this full is 90 degrees. Okay, so your zenith distance we can write also like this: 90 minus true altitude. If we sub this full is 90, and if we subtract this, we'll get zenith distance. So zenith distance is 90 minus true altitude. In the same way, you can write true altitude also 90 minus zenith distance. It can give us, if this is 90, if we subtract this, we'll get this. If we subtract this, we'll get that. Okay. So this is our rational horizon diagram. This is our rational horizon diagram. Okay. Now there are two more things which I'll tell you about azimuth, and I hope you understand this. This is very basic of celestial navigation. It's very helpful during taking sites and understanding the concept of sites. If you understand this, you understand. I can say 50% of the things. Okay, now two more important things left. I'll teach also. Okay, so this is now I'm talking about only rational horizon diagram. Okay, this is your rational horizon. Just to make it clean because my drawing, you know how it is. Okay. Okay. So again, we'll come to this. So this is again our rational horizon diagram. Okay. Same way, we'll make this celestial north. This is our celestial south. This is our zenith. Okay. So this is again our rational horizon. Okay. And this is a Great circle which pass through zenith and nadir. You know what is it? It's a vertical circle, and this is a principal vertical circle. Okay. Now, what is azimuth? What azimuth says? Definition says. Okay. Definition says the azimuth of a celestial body is the arc of observer's rational horizon. Is the arc of observer's rational horizon, or angle at his zenith contained between the observer's celestial meridian. Observe a celestial meridian and a vertical circle through the body. Okay, very good. So, suppose again, here is your body. Okay, so it's an arc of a celestial meridian. Arc of a celestial meridian or angle at the contained between the observer celestial meridian. What is observer celestial meridian? First of all, whenever you study, go to the basic of the things. What is celestial meridian? Celestial meridian. What is celestial meridian? It's a great circle or semi-great circle passing through the north and south pole of the celestial sphere. Now, what is observer celestial meridian? Observer celestial meridian is a celestial meridian which passes through the observer, or or you can say passing through the zenith. So, in this diagram, if we see, this is our celestial meridian. Also, this is our celestial meridian, also passing through the observer, and the vertical circle. This is our vertical circle. This is our vertical circle passing through the body, angle at the zenith, and the angle between them is this one, and this is your azimuth. When you solve question, you find simply is the bearing. Is the bearing. Now in this case, suppose its bearing is it look like 60 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Suppose it goes like this: 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, same like your normal compass. Okay, this is your 45 degrees. For an example, I am saying so your azimuth here is 45 degrees. Okay, now next thing is amplitude. Okay, it's the arc operational horizon contained between the prime vertical circle and vertical circle through the body. Okay, I forgot to tell you what is prime vertical circle. This is your west. This is your east. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. This is your west. This is your east. So prime vertical circle is a circle which passes through east-west point of a rational horizon. This is your rational horizon. These are the east-west point of rational horizon. It's a great circle passing through east-west point. That is your prime vertical circle. Okay, I just for the sake I'll write it for you. This is principal vertical circle. Okay, so vertical circle, prime vertical circle, you understand east-west point of the which pass through the east-west point of the rational horizon is called prime vertical circle. So what is amplitude? Amplitude is the angle at the zenith contained between the vertical circle through the body. This is the vertical circle through the body and between the prime vertical circle. So this will be your, what is this? Amplitude. Okay, now there is one question I want to discuss, that there is a question. Uh, okay, why there is a question that everything we are taking, like inside also we are calculating, we are taking first point of Aries as a reference point. So in celestial navigation, first of all point of Aries is taken as a reference point only, like it's just like your Greenwich meridian on earth. So there is nothing else. That's the old question. Okay, people ask that. So this is it for now, and in the next video, I'll try to explain you about PZ triangle. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day.